So, Mother's Day is just around the corner. And what better way to celebrate the special women in our lives than with gifts that add value to their everyday routines? Kitchen gadgets are wonderful because they are not just practical. They bring a touch of joy and ease into cooking and dining. Whether your mom is a master chef or someone who appreciates the beauty of a well-equipped kitchen, we have something for every taste and need. Today, we'll explore some of the top kitchen items that are perfect for Mother's Day gifts. We'll help you find that special something that's both useful and thoughtful. As always, links to all the products we discuss will be available in the description below, so you can easily check them out. And don't forget, if there are any promotions or discount codes, we'll include those in the description too. Let's begin with this cute 16-ounce coffee mug. Your mom is indeed the world's greatest mom, and she deserves this. This ceramic glossy mug never fades, and you would love to see your mom using it. These super aesthetic and fashionable glasses with bamboo lids will just improve the look of your mom's kitchen. Sit with your mom and sip iced teas or cocktails in these fancy glasses. Oh, and this beautiful charcuterie set by Smurley. This will help your mom through a party and dazzle her guests. It comes with an exquisite gift box and a matching round bamboo fruit tray. This board comes with a design guide, so your mom can create a unique and gorgeous platter in minutes. We all have cutting boards, but the ones your mom is using might have worn out. Let's upgrade her kitchen with these durable, non-slip cutting boards. Gift her this eco-conscious cutting board set that stands up to bending, warping, odors, and staining. They are 3 different sizes and come with a matching stand so that you can keep them organized. This is the best gift if your mom is a coffee lover. What you may not know is that moms prefer glass French presses because they preserve coffee's natural oils and flavors. Moreover, this glass coffee press boasts an elegant and timeless design that will complement your mom's kitchen decor. It is transparent, hence she can see the coffee as it brews. This blend and go Hamilton Beach blender is perfect for fruit smoothies, shakes, and icy drinks. It has a travel lid and doubles as a go-to cup. Your mom would love to prepare her smoothies with the press of a button. This Mother's Day, give the gift of convenience, health, and delicious meals with the Cosori Turbo Blaze air fryer. Perfect for any mom who loves to cook, but is always on the go. Plus, with lightning-fast cooking speeds, it cooks up to 46% faster than previous models, saving your mom precious time in the kitchen. The Cosori air fryer is designed with health in mind, using up to 95% less oil than traditional frying methods, which means your mom can enjoy all her favorite fried foods without guilt. It's also incredibly quiet, and with a 6-quart capacity, she can easily cook meals for the whole family or special gatherings. So, this Mother's Day, show your mom how much you care by giving her the Cosori Turbo Blaze air fryer. This premium pizza stone is perfect for grill and oven use. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant cordierite stone, it can withstand super high temperatures, ensuring it handles the high heat needed for that perfectly crisp crust. It's not just for pizzas either. This versatile stone is ideal for baking pies, pastries, frozen pizzas, calzones, and artisan breads. Whether your mom prefers cooking indoors or enjoys an outdoor BBQ, this pizza stone is the perfect companion. It allows her to enjoy dining under the stars or in the comfort of her own kitchen. This Mother's Day, give the gift of convenience and creativity with the Dash Mini Griddle. This compact and lightweight device is more than just a pancake maker. It's perfect for whipping up individual servings of eggs, cookies, pancakes, and grilled cheese, eliminating the need for multiple pots and pans. This is going to be your mom's new go-to pan. Cast iron can handle any kitchen cooktop, oven, grill, and open flame. Cast iron cookware is slow to heat up, but retains heat longer, which makes cast iron ideal for pan frying and roasting. This Antri pasta maker is a true time saver for any mom who owns a KitchenAid stand mixer and loves to cook. Effortlessly producing piles of pasta, it can make spaghetti, lasagna, quickly and easily. It's an excellent way to enjoy the pleasures of fresh pasta and make cooking more enjoyable. Perfect for the culinary enthusiast, this attachment will help your mom enjoy a better, tastier life with every meal she prepares. This Mother's Day, why not give the gift of traditional flavor with the Chef Sophie mortar and pestle set? Perfect for moms who love to add a touch of homemade to every meal. This set, unlike electric grinders, brings out the full flavor and aroma of herbs and spices. It's the age-old way to make every dish burst with freshly ground spices. Imagine your mom making her own pesto, salsa, or guacamole with this versatile tool. She can easily crush nuts, seeds, ginger, and garlic, or even whip up dressings and condiments to dazzle everyone at the dinner table. Gift your mom a perfect morning start with the Yeti Rambler 14-ounce mug. This isn't just any mug. It's a vacuum-insulated wonder that keeps her morning coffee piping hot or refreshingly cold. Thanks to its double-wall insulation, it protects her hands no matter the temperature of the contents. Equipped with the innovative Yeti Mag Slider lid, which uses magnets to keep her drink securely in place, it also features a no-sweat design to ensure her hands stay dry, regardless of how cold the contents. Stylish, practical, and built to last, this mug is sure to make her mornings even more enjoyable. The Vobaga Coffee Warmer will keep your mom's coffee at the perfect drinking temperature. It is lightweight and would be an ideal Mother's Day gift. Keurig K Mini Coffee Maker is perfect for moms who appreciate a quick, hassle-free cup of coffee. This compact brewer is less than 5 inches wide, making it an ideal fit for any small space or clutter-free kitchen. Imagine her joy each morning as she brews her perfect cup of coffee, choosing any size between 6-12 ounces with her favorite Keurig K-Cup pods. The single-cup reservoir means no more stale water sitting in a machine, just fresh water added each time she brews, ensuring the freshest taste in every single cup. This Mother's Day, gift your mom the Lodge 6-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven, the perfect kitchen companion for both style and function. This classic piece is not just a delight to look at with its vibrant enamel finish, but it's also a powerhouse in the kitchen. Ideal for broiling, braising, baking, or roasting, it allows your mom to easily prepare and serve delicious meals that are sure to leave a lasting impression. This 12-piece ceramic nonstick cookware set is not only beautifully designed to enhance her kitchen decor, but it's also crafted with conscious care to ensure a healthier cooking experience. Each piece boasts a super slick, non-stick surface that allows for cooking with less oil and easy cleaning afterwards. Designed to be versatile, these items work perfectly on any stovetop and are ideal for everything from sautéing vegetables to baking bread. These durable mitts are designed to protect her hands from heat, making them perfect for all her baking and cooking needs. Crafted from heat-resistant silicone, they provide a reliable shield when handling hot pans and dishes. Not only are they practical, but these mitts are also stylish and water-resistant, ensuring additional protection from hot spills. These Land Neo O mugs aren't just for coffee. They can be a versatile and stylish addition to your mom's kitchen. Each mug showcases a classic shape crafted in crystal glass, featuring a delicate, round curved handle. The designs are rich with vintage flair, including 2 sunflower-patterned mugs with intricate mandala-like borders and rain dot decorations that evoke a retro aesthetic. The set also includes metal spoons and bamboo lids, enhancing both the functionality and the old-fashioned elegance of the mugs. It's an amazing gift choice for Mother's Day, sure to add a splash of sophistication to her daily routine or special occasions. Give your mom a set of these exquisite vintage mugs and make her day truly memorable. These were some of our gift recommendations for the upcoming Mother's Day. We have provided all links in the description in case you are interested to dive deeper.
Father's Day, or the Day of Kings as we call it in our house, will be here in just a couple of days. So we're here today to make sure the dad on the list gets hooked up with some sweet gear on the Day of the Kings, especially the dad who is the at-home chef. In this video, I'll be recommending a whole range of items, from knives to thermometers to barbecues and barbecue accessories, and at the end of the video, I'll be recommending a really special gift that's guaranteed to blow your dad's mind away. And hopefully this year together, we can find the ultimate Father's Day gift. Let's dive in. So, what do you get the dad who has everything and loves to cook? Well, I know what I would want. That is a chef's knife. There are a ton of knives out there. One that I've actually used is the Mercer Culinary 8-inch chef knife. It is $21 on Amazon, and it's kind of a great starter knife. If you are looking for a bit of an upgrade, I would first look at the Tojiro DP Gyuto, 210mm at around $85. It's what I would kind of call an entry-level performance Japanese knife, and it has much better edge retention, meaning it holds its cutting performance much longer now. Speaking of knives, get them a nice knife sharpening set as well. I use and recommend the Dual Grit Whetstone, set by Intellitopia. It has a non-slip bamboo base and can sharpen any blade in the world. These are going to complement the chef knife that you just got for dad. Again, I will put all the links down below. The next gift item in the line is a magnetic knife strip to hang up your knives. Not only is it kind of a sexy way to show them off, but it honestly is probably one of the better ways to do so because you're not going to place it in a knife block where it could actually dull the edge or trap moisture in there and rust your knife. So it's just a simple solution that looks really nice in your kitchen as well. And depending on the size you get, these range from like $35 to $70 for the wood ones. The one that I use is this Hoshano's magnetic knife rack, and it is working out super fine for me. The next gift in line that your dad is going to love is these wooden chopping boards by Tefus. You can get them engraved with any text you like Best Dad Ever or I Love You Dad. These cutting boards are handmade by 100% wood and zero toxic chemicals. Hence, they are durable and will resist long years of use without breaking or cracking. They can also serve as charcuterie wood board. These customized boards are available in multiple sizes and wood colors. It is offered by a small family-owned business in the USA and stands out among similar custom cutting boards for their quality and style. Here comes my favorite cast iron griddle. The one that I recommend is the Lodge cast iron griddle. This is actually easily probably my most used pan for quick cooking things like smashing burgers, grilling chicken, or frying up some onions and things like that. It basically lives on my stovetop, and I would highly recommend it. Now the thing with this is it's really all about just taking care of the cast iron. So for me, I just cook on it pretty often. After I'm done cooking, I try to scrape anything that might be stuck onto it. Then, if there is excess oil on the surface, I'll rub it down with a paper towel. Now if I do need to wash it under the sink and it looks dry after I wash it, maybe I'll sprinkle a drop or two of oil and rub it in. But just keeping care of this is really what's going to do it for you. You don't need to spend a lot on cast iron. It's really more about the care. But I absolutely love this thing. It literally just lives on my stovetop. I rarely take it off. Moving to our next section about BBQ accessories. Dads love to barbecue. Maybe he has a gas grill and he's now looking at a charcoal grill. For that, you can't go wrong with Weber kettle grills. Weber kettle grills are the standard that all other charcoal grills try to live up to. This particular one is the original kettle premium in the copper finish. And I highly recommend the premium over the original because it just has additional features that are worth it. Barbecue accessories that your dad gonna love and that I think I use perhaps more than any other tool in my grilling arsenal, which is a pair of high heat gloves. So for years, I've been rocking these Grill Armor high heat gloves. They're like $25 on Amazon. This comes in handy for placing logs or grabbing a hot deflector stone or pizza stone outside of your grill. These gloves definitely make a great gift idea this Father's Day. So we're working our way up to the Grill Blazer grill gun. This high-power propane torch gun is designed to light charcoal or wood quickly in your grill or smoker. It is the fastest way to get your fire going in a matter of seconds. Your dad is going to love it if he hates to wait for the coals to be ready. Next, onto the Man Kitchen pepper cannon. With an impressive output that's up to 10 times faster than top-rated pepper mills, your dad can season his steak in just 7 cranks instead of the usual 70. This pepper cannon boasts a super wide grind range, allowing you to easily switch from cracked pepper to fine powder. Its oversized bearing-supported drive shaft and high-carbon stainless steel burrs ensure a smooth and consistent grind every time. Refilling is a breeze thanks to the quick-release top, and the never-slip adjuster guarantees perfect consistency across the grind range. Crafted from heavy-duty, solid milled, and anodized aluminum, this pepper mill is built to last. It even comes with a base cup for convenient storage and one-handed peppering. Our third and last section is about custom gift items for your dad. The first one is custom tumblers. These 2 tumblers are a sure hit for fun-loving and cool fathers and make a fantastic choice for Father's Day. Made with double-wall vacuum insulation, Theses Flask can retain any drink's ideal temperature for longer. These tumblers are BPA-free and crafted with 18-8 food-grade stainless steel. Let your dad enjoy his favorite drinks no matter where he is with these tumblers. Alright folks, well that's about wraps. Hopefully this list helps you out and gives you some great ideas to make the dad in your life a happy guy.